Hey guys, so I am back and today we are unboxing a wine subscription box. It's from Bright Cellars. I'll show you the box in a minute. It's a little heavy, so it's gonna be a hot second until I get it into frame properly. Oh god. So you can see the box. This is Bright Cellars, Discover Wine You Love. So this isn't sponsored or anything. The only reason why I got into this was because in the Spring FabFitFun box, they actually sent a little coupon. I looked into it just out of curiosity before because usually most of those things I get in FabFitFun that are like the little coupons, I usually just end up throwing away because they're not worth it anyway. But I looked into the pricing of this, and with the discount that I got from FabFitFun, it made the wine somewhere between $10 and $15 a bottle. And that works for our budget. We're not $2 chuck people, but we're also not like wine snobs by any means. Usually we just get whatever's cheapest at Costco, which is roughly $10 to $15 a bottle of wine. So when I logged onto Bright Cellars to figure this out, they actually make you take a little quiz to figure out what kind of wine you like or what they should send you. So just for some information, I did say something along the lines of I prefer whites, but I do enjoy some more adventurous reds. So I do believe there is white and red wine in here. This is something you can do on a monthly basis, but you can also change it so it's more or less often. We will not be doing this subscription long term. I will most likely, I will definitely be canceling after this box, just because full price, this doesn't really make sense for our wine budget, but I thought it'd be something fun to show you guys. So let's go ahead and dive on in real quick. Also, adviso, whatever you want to say, you should be of legal age to partake in alcohol. So there's that. And they actually will not deliver this to you if there's not an adult at home. So this actually got redelivered twice before one of us was home to accept the delivery. So there's a little cardboard thing in here that's on the surface of the box that says, "Finish your happy dance. Your wine experience has arrived. Pop the cork. This wine needs to breathe. Taste like a pro. Add wine cards to your collection with every shipment. We love your feedback. Rating helps fine-tune future matches." And then customer service. So it looks like I got a little stack of cards. Wine Wisdom Box 1. Okay. So there's a whole thing about how you're supposed to use a corkscrew and the different temperatures you're supposed to serve different wines at, and then how you're supposed to properly store your wines. What are these other cards? Okay, so I think there's a different card for each wine. Okay, so the first wine that we got is a Pinot Noir Still Bend, from Still Bend in the Edna Valley, 2018. It is a cool climate Pinot Noir, shows tart red fruit flavors like cranberries and cherries. Earthy flavors can be found on the palate with soft tannins and elevated acidity. This is really cool, guys. So this is all the information that comes on the card. Each card is different. This is the Obscura Wine I got, which is a Zinfandel, a classic California Zinfandel. This wine is bursting with jammy strawberry and raspberry aromas. Spicy black peppercorn on the palate is balanced by a ripe, round mouth feel. Okay. Let's see. Next one is Dreamlit. This is the Sauvignon Blanc. Loaded with notes of tart green apple, acidic citrus, and fresh lemongrass. This wine is crisp and dry with lighter body and a touch of bitterness in the finish. What the front of the card looks like. The back of the card. If you hear a little chomping noise, that's Sophie playing with the cat. Or I call it the cat tree. It's literally our Christmas tree, which is now a cat tree. The next wine is, I'm gonna mispronounce this real bad. Voyage d'Enlevant. It is a white blend with zesty citrus flavors. that dominate this French white alongside notes of underripe pear and tart green apple. Elevated acidity and slight herbaceousness on the palate. Now, a white blend. That's kind of interesting. I don't know how you guys feel about like white blends or red blends, but I definitely feel like, correct me if I'm wrong, it's when they send you, this is all the wine we couldn't sell, so we blended a bunch of them together and repackaged it. That's my opinion of it. We'll see if it's tasty. If it's tasty, I ain't gonna be mad. So the next card is Gladiolus. It's apparently an orange muscat, whatever that is. It is the perfect for pairing with desserts or spicy foods. This sweet white is incredibly aromatic with notes of perfumed florals and stone fruits on the nose and palate. This is what the back of the card looks like. Then, let's see, we have a Batik Moscato. Technical difficulties real quick. It is everything you want in a Moscato. This wine shows dessert level sweetness with ripe, almost candied fruit flavors of nectarine and white cherry, lingering sweet tart finish. And then lastly, we have Vanishing Act. It is a Syrah. It is fruity and complex. This Columbia Valley Syrah shows flavors of boysenberry and plum with chocolate and tobacco on the nose, full in body with balancing acidity and tannins. So that looks like all the information for the wine. Let's open this up and see what the box looks like. Oh, there's an envelope. What's inside this envelope? Oh, there's a special offer for you. Imbibe. Save up to 63% on the Ultimate Drinks magazine. 1 year for just $16. Okay, so this is for a magazine, apparently called Imbibe. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The next card in here is, what is this for? The best thing to happen to alcohol since alcohol, whether you've had one or one too many cheers, is designed to reduce alcohol's negative physical effects, support your liver, and make you feel better the next day. Okay, I think it's like a vitamin or something that's supposed to make hangovers not a thing. And then the last thing in this envelope is some sort of service to either sharpen your knives or to provide you sharp knives. Oh, sharpening by mail. You send your knives in and you can get them sharpened professionally. Interesting. Okay. And then there's a box inside here from Bright Cellars. What's inside the box? More cards about, okay, it's just stuff about how they work. It tells you how you can rate and provide feedback. Nothing super revolutionary. There is a smaller box inside this box. What's in the smaller box? Oh, this might be a corkscrew. I do believe, not that we need a corkscrew, but we now have a corkscrew. It's kind of tealy, which is cool because teal is one of my favorite colors. And it says Bright Cellars on it. That might be actually nice to put in the suitcase for the next cruise for any wine to bring. So now let's actually look at these bottles real quick. And then I will do any sort of chilling or airing. I feel like there's a different term I'm supposed to be using, but I'll do whatever prep we need to do before we get into tasting. So this is the one I can't pronounce that I think is the white blend. Very nice. What's this guy? This is Obscura. Next layer, we have Dreamlet. And the Pinot Noir. I can get the little. And then for the last layer, what we got? So I think normally they send you 6 bottles, but I did let them send me another, like a 7th mystery bottle, because it was going to be an additional $15. Like it was a deal, so I was like, why not? Won't hurt. We're gonna have, we don't drink all that often, so we're gonna have wine for ages. This is gonna be great. This is the Boutique Moscato. The Gladiolus. And then last but not least, I believe this is the Syrah. Oh, okay, so this is the mystery one. It says, mystery revealed, our premium monthly mystery bottle is hand-selected by Bright Cellars team of sommeliers to give you a taste of something unique. Whether it's to showcase a rare varietal, a region you didn't know existed, or a taste profile that completely blew our minds. We're excited to share this wine at our next gathering, and we hope that you are too. So, in a couple hours, which will probably fly by in just a second for you, we will go ahead and taste these wines and see how we feel about them. Stay tuned. Poppin' Tokes.